Some memories fade with time, but in the world of elephants, memory can mean survival. The leader of the herd is usually the oldest female because she remembers what others have forgotten. During droughts, the matriarch of the African elephant remembers hidden water sources, sometimes from decades ago. Her memory guides the herd across hundreds of kilometers, saving every member of the family. But elephants remember more than places. They remember each other. They recognize friends, family, and even the voices of those they lost. In the wild, memory is not just intelligence. It is the wisdom that keeps a family alive. Subscribe for more amazing animal and wildlife facts.